Good morning. Today we have a new board photo session. Let me take you with me. Took my bag, my cameras, and we are heading to the studio now. It's 47 degrees outside now, but I enjoy the hot sun. Now I just entered my studio and stay till the end because I will show you the most stupid thing. But I won't show you at the end. I will show it in the middle somewhere. So I will show you the most stupid thing that I got for my studio. Stay tuned. So it's now 8:45 and the mother is coming and I have to prepare my bean bag. So let's put some fabric on the bean bag. And today we have baby girl. So I think something I love pink for girls, but I want to have some change today. So maybe lavender, maybe this color, maybe this lavender color. Let's try it. Oh no, I don't want to use the lavender in the beanbag because I want to use it in the flocati setup. Flocati setup. So if I am gonna use it, so maybe yellow. I'm not sure. Let's see if we will do yellow today. This is the yellow wrap, and where it's fabric here. Okay, and here is the yellow fabric. Let's go to the beanbag. I will keep the wrap because I want to dress the baby in a romper, and the colors that usually moms choose are repetitive. So moms usually choose the pink color for girls and purple, but because we will do purple and the flocati and the sit-ups, I don't want to repeat myself. You know what I mean? So just make sure where is the face and where is the back of the fabric, and clamping my fabric on my bean bag. And by the way, there is a full episode for me preparing the bean bag, showing the correct steps to put all the layers, all the down layers. So this is the color layer that I change between babies, but the base layers are the same. Extra tip, wear yoga socks in your studio to prevent slipping and being extra safe for the baby. And now preparing matching romper and matching hat. And let's bring some cute headbands of yellow color. This is a yellow headband. I have so many headbands that I don't know how to arrange them anymore. I have some here and some here, and I have some here, and I also have some back there. This is gonna be nice also. This one, this is gonna be nice. And maybe this one also. These three yellow, I will keep them, and I usually hang them on one of the clamps like this. Now my bean bag is ready, and let's prepare the sit-ups. So for the sit-up, I know that I will do a purple color, but let's see. I want to have this bed. And I don't want the mattress. I want purple wrap and purple yes, this one. This is what I'm looking for. So I have this set that I got from Loonberry, pillow with headband and the wrap and the matching flocati. So I can do the baby in a prop in this wrap and then move the baby to the flocati, and I will have 2 sit-ups using 1 wrap. But what I'm gonna put inside my prop, let's see. So I will use this prop. I will put the burlap layer under the prop. Try to give nice distribution. I will look from above if it looks nice. Yes, it looks nice. Okay, now finish the box of burlap layers. I will bring my purple box. So bringing my purple box, I will pull a matching color for the purple I'm using. So this one, yes, I'm looking at the flocati there, so yes, it's gonna match. So I will put it here, and I have some cute hats here. Does it match this one or this one? This one is gonna be better. So this hat is gonna match. I'm gonna add it to the sit-up. So we have variations. Yes hat, no hat. Headband, no headband. I need to add my posing beans now. So for the wrap that I'm gonna do, I will need 1 posing here and 1 posing here. So cute. Okay, I'm just waiting for her to go back to sleep while I'm holding her like this. Oh my God, so cute. Look how cute she is. Cute baby. Ta-da! Here is the most stupid thing that I got. It's a washing machine. I just take the wraps home and wash them in my real washing machine. Waste of money. And for my baby diaper bag, I need to buy more wipes. I have enough diapers. I will just fill it to be ready for tomorrow's session. Ready, nappy cream ready, and brush ready. Pacifiers are ready. So, and my studio was ready for tomorrow's session.